Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobby. I'm back again with another awesome video. So guys, if you remember a few days back, we did an in-depth review and unboxing of the Honor X9, which is the elder sibling of the X series so far. And we loved the phone, the look, the feel, the camera, and the price point. All of them were just fantastic. I've got the black color, which is there, and the blue color. We tested both of them and we loved it. The body, the look, the feel, the camera, it was just amazing. In fact, my daughter is actually changed her phone and using the X9 as the primary unit. And my sister took one from me as well. So guys, amazing phone. But one thing which we wanted to go back before the review is at the time of the launch, Honor spoke very strongly about how strong and steady these phones are, with the kind of material and the material hardware material that is being used, the armored steel and so on, to give this a sturdy, make this phone one of the strongest competence of the resilience, the kind of resilience these phones have. So we saw some of that in the video, but we thought during the launch, but we thought, why don't we put these bad boys to the test of our own? So we did some amazing and wild tests. We are going to show you what we did and how did Honor X9 came out when we were done with it. But before I tell you which all tests we did and how did the Honor perform, let me please ask you to press that subscribe button and the notification icon down there so that you keep getting all the notifications and I keep getting all the motivation to keep bringing these amazing videos to you. So guys, so Honor X9, we did put it through two primary tests. One, which is a very common one, which is the common accident which happened with every smartphone, or I have not come across a single one who has not come to me and said, oh, I dropped my phone. So that is the first test. We put it through, and as you will see, we took the phone, we dropped it in different ways from almost a meter plus of height, which is my height, above my height. So, and as you can see, the output of that was amazing. So not even a scratch, no screen damage, and the phone is working swiftly fine. So after this drop test, our conclusion was that yes, Honor X9 stands out and gets a thumbs up from us when it comes to the accidental drop test. So fantastic stuff there. So let's move on to the next one. So the next one, we wanted to check out how does it perform in extreme temperatures. Now, when it can perform in extreme temperature, that means your phone is designed strongly. So we did put it through what I call it the freezer test. So as you can see on the screen, I took the phone down, turned it on, took the timestamp and put it in the freezer at I think almost around 11 p.m. in the night, and I left it running in the freezer overnight, and I took it out the next day. And again, I must say, thumbs up. It stood out strong. The battery was 94%, from 100 to 94, 6% usage of overnight battery. The phone was freezing cold, of course, and the functionality and everything was swift, and it's still running smoothly. So guys, this is very amazing. This is we would love to put this through more tests and some more phones that come in and claim this. We're going to continue bringing these amazing resilience test videos to you. If you give us a thumbs up right now, leave us a comment and let us know which phone do you want us to put through this resilience test, and we will be happy to do it for you. So guys, thumbs up for Honor X9 on both the scenarios, and this is your friend the Great Lobby signing off. Keep yourself safe. Peace.